Barbara, a lot of young buyers are getting into the housing market today, and the mortgages they're taking on are just huge. And they're getting very uncomfortable about this. They're neglecting their retirement savings to pound down the mortgage, using all cash for the mortgage, nothing for retirement. How good an idea is that?
It's not a great idea. I think when young people are starting to look for housing, they need to think about how big a mortgage they can afford. And that takes into account the ability to save on the side for the
So that's
future.
very interesting. So you're saying that among the things you need to afford aside from your mortgage is a chunk for retirement savings.
Oh, absolutely.
Is it sound personal finance to just neglect retirement in order to pay off more on the mortgage?
I don't think it's good finance at all to neglect retirement.
Okay, so you should be doing both essentially.
You should be doing both.
Now let's say you come into a bonus or a sum of money. Should that go against the mortgage balance or should that go into your retirement?
I guess it depends if you had money put aside for savings. I've been of the opinion you need to do both, but if you can throw a little bit at each, I would probably split
Okay,
it.
so you're a compromise person.
Yeah, absolutely, blended.
Now, one thing I think is worth pointing out is that if people are doing accelerated bi-weekly payments, making 26 payments, you're already accelerating the pay down of your mortgage by about 3 years.
True, true.
And so, I mean, in that context, if I'm taking 22 years to pay off my mortgage, do I need to get that excited about the mortgage getting it paid down sooner, or am I okay on that track of just making the payments over the 22 years, making them every 26 weeks, and that will take care of things?
Well, I guess my philosophy, I'd rather have the interest in my pocket rather than in the banks. So if I can accelerate it by just increasing the frequency, I do it. And at the same time, you're going to have a little bit extra money on the side to put away for the future.
Okay, but just to circle back, don't forget retirement.
Don't forget it,
Okay,
ever.
thanks. Thanks, Brian.
Thank you.